Dr. Amelia Carter, a renowned archaeologist with a history of unearthing extraordinary artifacts, embarked on a treacherous expedition to a remote site in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Her mission, to uncover the truth behind the legendary cursed artifact, whispered to possess malevolent powers. The moment she unearthed the artifact, a chilling gust of wind swept through the excavation site, sending shivers down the spines of the entire team. Dr. Carter knew she had stumbled upon something remarkable and dangerous. Ignoring the warnings of her colleagues, she decided to bring the artifact back to the United States for further examination. As the team returned to their base camp, inexplicable accidents began to plague them. It started innocently enough, with minor mishaps like tripping over tree roots and dropping equipment. But as days turned into weeks, the incidents escalated in severity. Equipment malfunctioned, causing injuries to some members. Others reported strange shadows lurking just beyond the edge of their vision, darting through the darkness. Curiosity turned to fear, and fear led to despair. The once unified team became fractured and paranoid. The expedition's psychologist, Dr. Emily Harrison, noticed the alarming changes in behavior among the team members and became intrigued by the artifact's mysterious influence. Determined to uncover the truth, she delved deep into ancient texts and consulted with experts in various fields. As Dr. Harrison researched, another member of the team vanished without a trace. It was as if the cursed artifact fed on their darkest fears, manifesting them into reality. The situation became critical, and Dr. Harrison realized she needed to act swiftly. With the assistance of a seasoned paranormal investigator named Eric Blackwood, Dr. Harrison formulated a plan to neutralize the curse. Guided by his extensive knowledge of ancient rituals, Blackwood constructed a protective circle around the artifact. The team gathered, their hearts pounding, as they prepared to confront the malevolence head-on. As the ritual commenced, the room grew heavy with an ominous presence. The artifact trembled within its enclosure, and whispers filled the air. Each team member bravely faced their deepest fears, reliving their darkest moments. The power of the curse intensified, but so did their determination. Hour by hour, the ritual continued, pushing further into the night. Finally, as the first light of dawn crept over the horizon, the cursed artifact shattered into 1,000 pieces. The malevolent energy dissipated into the ether, leaving behind a sense of relief and triumph. The team, united once more, celebrated their victory. As they exchanged stories of their experiences, they realized how the curse had forced them to confront their inner demons and emerge stronger. Dr. Carter, in particular, expressed gratitude for the resilience her team had displayed throughout the ordeal. In the aftermath, Dr. Harrison and Eric Blackwood discovered the true nature of the artifact's curse. It wasn't simply an object of malevolence but a test of character and strength. The ancient civilization who had created it sought to separate the worthy from the weak, leaving only those with the fortitude to guard their legacy. With this newfound understanding, the team returned to their respective lives, forever changed by the cursed artifact. Dr. Carter resumed her archaeological pursuits, now armed with a deeper understanding of the powers that lay dormant within ancient relics. And Dr. Harrison continued to uncover the mysteries of the world, specializing in deciphering the secrets hidden within cursed artifacts. The case of the cursed artifact remained etched in their memories as an arduous and transformative journey. It served as a reminder that sometimes the greatest challenges can bring forth the greatest strengths if faced with courage and resolve.